This is the flip cup painting we'll be doing today. Starting with a small cup and a small canvas. Add some silicone to the cup and coat the sides and the bottom with it. Then I'm going to pour in some metallic purple, regular purple, silver, orange, red, silver, a little bit of yellow, and then I'll repeat the metallic purple, the regular purple, orange, a little red, some more silver, and a little more yellow. Prep a canvas with a black background. That's a mix of black paint and floetrol. Flip over the canvas and firmly press the cup against it. Grip them firmly as you flip it upside down and carefully place the canvas back down without letting the cup release from the canvas. You can take a peek. Take a peek again if you like. Some really nice things happening down there with the purple. And let it go. Wow. Just let it spread out as far as it will naturally. See what happens. If it doesn't reach the corners, you can fill in the corners and the edges with a mix of paint. In this case, I'm using the purple and the metallic purple, and I'm using the same cup. It still has a remnant of the other colors mixed in. Add some more yellow, red, silver mixed on the top. And a little bit of everything in the upper left corner. You can tip it to help it reach the edges, and some nice things will happen. You can see some cells created by the silicone. You want to get rid of more of these black spaces, just add a little more paint and integrate it by tipping it a little bit. And just try to keep the areas that you really like on the canvas instead of letting them drip over the edge. Wow.